Did he describe what a milling was?
He said a milling would be to get anywhere from 50 to 100,000 people into the loop. And then these people will go through the loop and they will try and disrupt it. He said we will block cars driving down the street. We will block people coming and going out of buildings. We will stop people from walking down the street. We will run through stores. We will smash windows and try and shut the roof down.
All right, go ahead. What else was said?
He talked about a rock festival that was planned on the plan on the 2050. He said we are going to invite the McCarthy kids, the young delegates, and children of prominent people that will be here for the convention. He said we will lure them here with music and sex. Then he said we will keep the people there after 11 o'clock because we will keep the band going.
Now, calling your attention to August 15 in the afternoon, where were you?
I was in Lincoln Park.
Were any of the defendants present?
Rennie Davis was present and Tom Hayden was present.
Do you remember any other persons that were present other than Mr. Davis and Mr. Hayden?
Yes, Ben Ranford was there, Dwayne Oakley. I was, of course, there. Dave Baker was there. I think there were 5 of us there. Our boss was there.
What occurred?
Ben Randolph said to Davis, I saw one of those jeeps and it looked like they are going to string out barbers wires in front of us. David said, is there any way we can stop it? And I said yes. We could set up grappling hooks and rope and throw it into the wire. And that will snap it. Mr. Davis said, that's a good idea. We'll use it if they use the jeeps. Then we formed a snake dance practice and began to snake dance.
What occurred after that?
Well, a man from CBS asked if he could photograph the snake dance. David said, well, there are not too many of us here today, and we just start practicing, and we are not in that good shape. So if you come back the next week when we have more people, it will be more impressive when we have practiced it, and you can have the exclusive right to film it.
What did you do then?
I drove a few people down to mobilization.
What occurred when you arrived?
We sat around for a minute or two. Then David said, we were going to start the meeting now.
Were any of the defendants present at that meeting?
Yes, Davis and Hayden. Dave Baker was there and Richard Bosiano.